Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is GUDY'S. Today I am going to make catfish pepper soup, Nigerian delicious catfish pepper soup. Yeah, I boil my water, make sure that my water is boiled. Then I add my catfish. Please do not forget to subscribe. I add my blended onions. I add my blended pepper. I add a black pepper. Then my crayfish goes in. Then my black pepper again. The pepper soup sauce goes in. And then I'm cooking this with sweet potatoes. Let me know in the comment section if you love to eat your catfish with sweet potatoes. So this is our catfish. It's so quick, very good, delicious. Cook until the potatoes are done, and you will see how delicious this catfish is. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to like and comment, and also share to your friends. Thank you. I love you.